What is open? Why is it open? No! I probably have a flat tire, dude.
This is
exclusive.
Go! Go! Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up.
Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Perfect day of riding. It's about 65 degrees and sunny. Chance of rain later, but trying to get a nice ride in before the rain comes, you know. But I got my bike finally. It was in the shop for a few days. Actually 4, matter of fact. Was getting my valves adjusted. I was in desperate need of getting my valves adjusted because I was a little past my mileage mark. But was getting it ready, got the oil changed, got cleaned the chain, got it waxed and everything else for this upcoming weekend. I'll be at the Tail of the Dragon. Pretty pumped up about it, actually. Oh guys, note to self and girls, forgot about the girls. Always check your tire pressure. When I took my bike into the shop from holding it over winter, my tires are supposed to be at 42 psi. Well, my front tire was at 15, and my back tire was at 25. So make sure you guys check your tire pressure because it's very crucial in riding. So Friday afternoon we're leaving. We're putting our bikes in the trailers and into the back of the truck, and we're going to drive on down. Since Ohio has crappy weather, it can go from 70 degrees to snowing all in one day. So it can be 70 degrees today, and then tomorrow it's going to be snowing. But right now on the forecast they're projecting snow on Friday, which is crazy. I'm done with snow. We haven't even had a bad winter, but I'm just tired of the coldness. I'm ready for riding season. But Saturday and Sunday, man, I'm gonna get us some really good footage. I decided that I'm gonna do both a vlog and a non-vlog. For the non-vlog video, I'm gonna just have me going through all the twisties with some music. So it should, I know with my videos, like when I'm watching videos of other people hitting twisties, I purposely don't do it. I just naturally like lean when I'm watching other videos of people doing twisties. So I'm hoping I'm able to get you guys to do that. So, and if I wreck, I wreck. So vehicles over 40 foot with a trailer are not allowed to take a left turn, guys. Make sure you guys note that down. Alright. Unless by permit. Alright. I didn't know that. Nope, I don't have neither, so I should be fine. I sort of want to do a U-turn. But at the same time, they don't. But I really don't want to ride on the freeway. This dude's doing a U-turn. Alright, I'm gonna do a U-turn. U-turn it is. Bye! No engine brake. You know what? Engine braking on you fools. Yeah guys, I can somewhat read the signs, so I'll just keep doing that for you. One bad thing about Ohio are the bugs, man. Or is the bugs. Would it be are or is? I'm not really sure. But the bugs out here are awful. You can't really. Open. What's open? What is open? Why is it open? No! I probably have a flat tire, dude. What was it? I'm gonna go look at what I just ran over. Get a closer view. You have all nails. Legit all nails. Oh, I gotta get my freaking bike home before get a freaking flat. God, dude, if I just didn't even see all those, dude. Legit 100 nails just in the middle of the road. Ran them over. If I had to buy new tires, man, I'm gonna be highly upset. What in the world? You kind of happy to. I think that's a dude. I mean a chick. Two chicks. Oh. If not, that dude's getting. What in the world is with this chick? Kind of slutty looking. A little trashy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been working on not make it as awkward as my other two. I feel that I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with this, so it's not as awkward. I still find it a little weird about talking to myself, but I'm starting to get used to it, you know? So, I will see you guys next time. Make sure you guys ride safe and enjoy your time. Later.